everyone, I'm Haley and today I'm making a super delicious pumpkin dump cake. I got this recipe from my Uncle Todd. He made it last year for Thanksgiving when we went down to see them, and it was so good. Everyone loved it a lot, and so I asked him for the recipe and he was nice enough to share it with me so that I can make this at home and you guys can make it at home too. Alright, so for this recipe, everything is going in one bowl. It's going to be really easy. We're going to start off with two 15-ounce cans of pure pumpkin. You want to make sure it's not pumpkin pie filling because that has sugar and spices added and who knows what else. It's just 100% pure pumpkin. Oh my gosh, the pumpkin smells so good. Alright, next I'm going to add one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. And don't forget to recycle your cans, guys. I almost didn't recycle it. I was like, don't forget, and then I almost put them in the trash. And then I'm also going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. It's a lot of cinnamon, but it's good. And 3 whole large eggs. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh. I'm trying to practice cracking eggs one-handed. I'm not too good at it right now, but I get the egg in there without the shell. And I guess that's all that really matters. The eggs got all over my hands. Don't forget, oh! I think I just like swung some raw eggs everywhere. Okay. Don't forget to wash your hands after you touch the raw eggs. Now I'm just going to use my whisk to stir all these ingredients together until they're well combined. Alright, once your pumpkin mixture is all nice and smooth and creamy, it's time to bake this. Well, kind of bake, but like, there's a little bit of assembly we have to do first. So I have a greased 9x13 baking dish, and I'm just gonna pour all of this yummy pumpkin mix into there. I would say that pumpkin dump cake is definitely my favorite type of dump cake. Oh my gosh, my arm. And it's really easy to smooth out, but just make sure that you even out the pumpkin cake. Pumpkin cake? I'm sorry, just even out the pumpkin mixture. Okay, I'm gonna take this bowl away. It's very big and it's in my way. Evening it out. Oh my gosh, it's like Jello? No, okay, it's definitely not like. It's just so funny how jiggly it is. It's like swoosh, 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 swoosh. All right. Not really even. My pumpkin mixture is all evened out, and now I have a package of yellow cake mix, or you can also use butter cake mix, which is really great. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it evenly as possible, over the top. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this is a lot of cake mix. That's actually a whole lot of cake mix. Hold on, guys. Okay. Just like FYI, I've never made this before, and I'm pretty sure that it's not supposed to be like this. Not sure how it's supposed to be, but just not like this. There's like a mountain of cake mix at the top. Oh my gosh, this feels like so fluffy. Alright, so my cake mix is all evened out on top of my pumpkin mixture, and now I'm gonna add 1 cup of chopped pecans. And this part is optional, but I do definitely recommend it. This is like packed full of pecans. At first I thought it was just gonna be a little here and there, but go big or go home. And last but not least, I have 3/4 cup of melted butter, and I'm using salted butter, and I'm gonna drizzle this all over the top. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Oh my gosh, butter is the best thing in the world. Oh wow. Oh, I'm just flooding this with butter. All right, now I'm going to bake this. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake this for about 45 minutes. It's gonna take a while for it to solidify, and then I'm just gonna check on it. And voila, my pumpkin dump cake is all finished. After 45 minutes, I took it out and it was done. And now I've just been letting it cool for like 3 hours. It's on a cooling rack, but it takes a really long time to cool down since it's in a glass pan. And I wouldn't mind it being warm, but I just don't really want to burn myself. And I remember the last time I had it, it was room temperature, and that was really good. So I wanted to do it the same way. Have it the same way. I'm so excited to try this. Okay. Oh my gosh, do you hear that? The crisp on the very top of the cake mix. It's so good. And also it smells like heaven in here. It smells so good. My family has been asking me, when are we gonna get to eat it? But I've been letting it cool, so they're getting impatient. And I don't think you have to cool it. I think it's optional. Not sure. But I just wanted to cool it. Oh my gosh. That is so good. I remembered it being good, but I didn't remember it being this good. And the pecans make a really big difference. So the pumpkin part is like pumpkin pie, and then the cake mix is like a sweet vanilla-y yellow cake mix flavor, which is really good. And the toasted pecans are so amazing. I don't even know how to describe them. I don't think I've had toasted pecans on anything else because I just don't do it. I usually don't toast my pecans, but the toasted pecans add such an amazing flavor to the very top of this. Well, thank you. Oh, hold on, let me turn it. I always forget to do this. I have to turn the dessert so you can see the full thing. Well, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know if you ever make this delicious pumpkin dump cake at home. I think it would be a really great dessert for Thanksgiving dinner, or basically anytime, honestly. I know a lot of people say that October and November are the only times you can have pumpkin flavored things, but I think this pumpkin dump cake would be good all year round. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel with all of your family and friends, because I am trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And I'll see you in the next video.